Welcome sa Player Select, kung saan china-challenge namin ang mga absolute classic games para sa inyo. Ako si Bas.
Si Kran.
At para sa series na to, ang una naming sasagupain ay Double Dragon 2!
Double Dragon 2, ginawa ng Technos Japan noong 1989 para sa NES at Family Computer. Meron siyang 9 stages ng classic suntukan action at unang nagtampok ng 2-player co-op sa Double Dragon series para sa home consoles.
At ang goal, ipakita sa inyo ang ending.
Okay? Yun lang yung goal.
Medyo tumanda na kami. So, with that said, let's go! Alright, Double Dragon 2, The Revenge. Ang cool ng music niya, no, Pops? Sa totoo lang. Anyway.
Walang start.
Ayun, Pops, relax na lang. Ano ba tayo? A o B?
Ang Double Dragon 2 ay may dalawang mode para sa 2 players. Ang Mode A ay regular mode kung saan hindi pwede magkatamaan ang magkakampi, habang ang Mode B ay may friendly fire kung saan pwede magkatamaan ang Double Dragons. Ano kaya ang pipiliin nilang dalawa?
Yung B yung may suntukan dito.
Yata? I'm totally forgotten this game.
Hindi, B yung may suntukan. Tara Wag. Hindi, sige. Para challenge na. Okay. 19XX. Alam mo hindi nangyari yan.
They just don't know how to.
Mga 2015 na, hindi pa rin nangyayari. The Double Dragons! Anyway. The dragons had one terrible enemy to fight against him. Was the destiny and fate of the... One terrible enemy, so isa lang ang tatalunin namin tapos okay na.
No, but they said warriors.
Daya naman ito. Corporation.
Totally had forgotten the movie as well.
Pops ang kulit.
Pagkatapos ng opening story ay magsisimula na ang unang stage ng Double Dragon 2.
Pero, right.
I'm one.
Alright.
Okay. So,
Alright, yan. Kaya mo pala natin sumuntok eh. Para nag-exercise
why is
siya.
the kick backwards?
Bakit siya nagka-cartwheel? Pops. Hindi, pakiramdam ko directional siya. Tingnan mo.
No.
Pipindutin ko yung A, tapos nakaharap ako sa left, tumatadyak ako dun sa kabila. Tapos, tignan mo, nandun, tatadyak ako dun. Directional siya. Directional.
No, it's not.
Don't fight
That's a
us!
lie.
Don't fight us! High kick! Marunong pa ako mag-high kick.
Stop it!
Pops, yung attack button niya, parang parang direction din.
No, it's not. There's no direction in this shit.
Meron pa. So, kunwari nakatingin ka sa right, tapos nag-A ka.
I totally forgot when I played this one. Is this Family Computer or NES?
Pareho naman eh. Actually, NES, natatandaan mo yung cartwheel. Jake De Leon! Shout out to the señorito. Yeah!
How did I do that? I want to do that again.
Cartwheel, gano'n.
Remember, jump here. Let's go.
BA ang talon. Huwag mo ko iwan, mamatay ako.
It's not left or there. There it is.
Sige, latiguin.
No, I'm getting kicked by a big woman. What?
Actually, ang weird nila maglakad na nakapameo.
Because they're women. This is a racist game. Sexist, actually. Ow! May one-up dun eh. Bakit ba? Sita mo, lakas ko na. Like shadowy.
Teka. Ako yung blue, di ba? Kasi naka-blue ako.
See, that's colors.
Flying kick.
Wait, I know what.
Nice. Kapatid pa yan, ha? Si Bailey at si Jamie.
Generic.
Lee pa eh. So, sila? Mga Asian Americans.
They need to be Asian. They can know Kung Fu if they're not Asians.
Pero Pops, thank you ah. Thank you. Gusto mo, ikaw na tumapos eh.
You need to be
Yeah. Separate tayo.
Gulping, di gulat. Sino yun? Aray.
Bakit may tubo, no?
Ayan.
Ah.
Yung ba nakikita kaya, may tubo. Ala, cartwheel pa. Isa pa. Yeah.
Actually, ito dapat mangyari sa PWR. Parang dampasan na sila ng tubo. Shout out to PWR. Love your product.
Bakit bigla ko siya binabato? What? No.
Nakakatakot yung music. No!
Boss fight, okay.
First stage boss, Burnov, isang napakalaking kalaban na kayang mabuhay ulit.
It's fucked up.
You run from the fat boss. You know, it's fat. Ano? Porke nakapula ako lang? Cheating.
Kaya, palibutan natin siya.
No, I don't think it worked that way.
Hindi, kaya yan. Pops, isa lang siya yun. Tapos dalawa tayo.
No, numbers doesn't count.
I'ma save you. Don't worry. Yan, tapos na.
I want this helmet. Come on. Oh, yeah.
Para sa street gun, napaka-advance niyang...
Oh, what?
What's up? Flying kick. Ah! Bro!
Do that. Okay, it's done.
Okay. Stage 1 clear. What's up? They're escaping in that chopper. No,
Get to the chopper!
Get to the chopper!
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Pops, you gotta appreciate the music. Parang si Michael Jackson lang. Dun.
How did I do this? Ow!
May tubo dun, Pops.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's so good. Nice.
Go on again. I'm in. Wow.
Baka mo na. Iwas paputok.
I only have one life left.
I mean, how many revenge tales?
Wow, I can't beat the chopper. It's impossible.
Okay, ako inubakan mo. Nice. Yan yung mga galit na mga babae. Mga nakapamewang. Oh. Na-confuse siya.
Ow. Stop it. Don't throw that. Ow.
I'm sorry. I didn't know that would happen. I'm sorry. Bumakit ah. Matutubukan kita.
Oh, so very safe. Okay, it's no longer safe. Oh my gosh.
Tapos ang galing. Galing. Tinuhod. Tignan mo itong dalawang to. Kapag naglalakad yun, parang naghahanap lang ng gulo. Tignan mo, naka-boxing stance.
Bakit bigla siya nag-isipan? Isang kontra lang lang.
Ano nga, depende nga sa direction ko. So, kapag pinindot mo yung opposite direction, nagiging sipa siya.
I want to do the helicopter kick. Helicopter kick.
Ewan ko, ano mo tatanungan nun yun?
I know. I've been jumping.
Oh, si shoulder pads. Oh, nice. Dapat sinalo ko na si Ninjas!
Second stage boss, ninjas. Mahirap silang ilagan kapag gumagalaw. Maatake sila gamit ng mga shuriken at kutsilyo.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Oh, no. You didn't.
Oops, hindi ako pinapalaban ng ninjas. They're cheating!
Stop! Oh, fine. Kick your ass. Okay. What the hell? Wow!
Dahil may panaksak ang walang niya.
No, I died.
Hindi man ano pa.
It's your fault.
Start mo!
It's zero life. This is not Contra.
Hindi ba ito parang Damn it! Iwan ako. Single Dragons na lang. Facebook status, Single Dragon.
Dahil sa game over ni Cram, mag-isa na lang si Bass. Kaya niya kaya lagpasan ang mga susunod na stage.
Galing. The chopper escaped into the neon-filled night. Talaga neon. Wow, ako na lang talaga. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Cram. Thank you.
Okay.
Galing.
There you go. You died.
Technique yun actually para matalo sila eh. Para huwag kayo mahuli. Looking out for you, bro.
This game is not what I used to remember.
Damn it. What the hell?
Third stage boss, Bolo. Matangkad siya at mabilis umatake. Mahilig din siyang mangbalibag ng player.
Kamukha niya si Machete. You can't beat Machete, see?
Ang daya! Mahulog ka na! Mahulog ka! Machete don't text. What's up? Stage 4, essay.
Killing Machete like that.
Landing on a mysterious island.
There's one up here or something.
Pops, ang daya mo. Pops, kaya na to. I got this, bro. I got this. Zero lives. No, 0 lives. Pakiramdam ko, i-continue natin to dito, Pops. Continue na lang to.
No, continue is bad.
What are we proving? Hindi. Kaya to. Konting domestic violence lang ang kailangan. That's bad, by the way. Mahulog kaya ako.
Can't swim? No one can swim in the age 90s.
Nakuha nila ang kanilang unang game over. Ano kaya ang gagawin nila pagkatapos nito?
Continue.
No, there's no continue in this game.
What?
Ang Double Dragon 2 ay hindi nagbibigay ng automatic na continue kapag nagkaroon ng game over. Kaya kapag natalo sila, kailangan nilang ulitin lahat ng pinaghirapan nila.
I told you there's no continue in this game, so stop it with a B. Or A. A-team.
A-team.
Pinili nila ang Mode A para hindi na sila magkatamaan. Hanggang saan kaya sila aabot? Inabot sila ng 8 minuto upang makabalik kung saan sila nagka-game over. May 3 buhay pa si Bast at may 2 buhay pa si Cram.
Okay, ingat.
To win.
Oo, elevator effects.
Elevator action. You need to do that.
Kung may idea kayo kung anong gusto nyo laruin namin, comments.
Grab him! No, why can't he be grabbed? It's like big guy, grab him! Grab him, I hate you. Oh, hey Arnold, what's up?
Welcome to my island.
Oh, okay.
What the hell?
No jumping allowed. Cheating.
Okay. Alam, blender na siya. Macho ka lang. Malaki ka lang, pero di mo kami kaya patumbahin.
Arnold's getting squashed. Wonder how Arnold will feel about it. Oh, okay, no jumping.
Aray.
We're done. Wait, can we run?
No. We can only walk.
I'm so slow.
Kailangan sagad. Sagad ako sa... galing. Get us up! We don't want to do revenge anymore! Granada.
Damn it. Oh, damn it. Run. Yeah, grab, throw. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Chill.
See, if this was me, I'm dead again. Because of you.
Dead na tayo kanina pa.
Stop throwing things at me. Damn it. Stop throwing things at me, see? Grab, throw. Grab, throw. Oh, Machete. What's up with you? Revenge of Machete.
Oo nga. Siya yung nahulog sa aeroplano, Pops eh.
Oh, stop it, Machete. Oh my
Binabalik ka
gosh.
ni Machete.
That's enough. Oh my gosh.
Galing ni Machete.
Wow, we're both dead.
Yan. Palibutan natin si Machete. Yan. Bakit ka tumatalon?
Because it's higher damage, high risk. Oh, okay.
Hindi wrestling to! Wala. Nakala pala si Machete.
Yeah, with both lives gone. Ay! Wow. So awesome. And how do we go there?
Okay.
Can I jump? No, I have 0 lives. I'm not jumping there. See? I have 0 lives. I'm not jumping there.
Galing. Paano to?
I don't know.
Damn it. The hell?
Wow. It's not even the boss is killing us.
Ngayon alam na natin eh. Now we know.
It's not even the boss is killing us.
Ang hindi nila alam ay nagsisimula pa lang ang paghihirap nilang dalawa.
Hi guys, thank you sa panonood. Kung nag-enjoy kayo dun sa video na yon, pindutin nyo yung like, pindut. Kung may suggestions kayo kung anong gusto nyo laruin namin sa susunod na episodes, please comment para maging updated sa aming mga bagong videos. Pindutin nyo yung subscribe button. Pindut. Thank you sa panonood ulit. And hanggang sa susunod, paalam!